The Meghalaya Board of School Education Mbose has conducted a 5-day seminar based on the Holistic Progress Card HPC standardized question paper templates and the equivalence of boards, held from the 15th to 19th of September at the Mbose Regional Office in Shillong. The event was part of a national initiative led by Parakh, a body under NCERT New Delhi. Officials said the seminar aimed to promote uniform assessment standards across school boards and to train educators in designing competency-based questions. These trained teachers are expected to serve as master trainers, mentoring peers across the state. Teachers attending the workshop noted improvements in their classroom and assessment practices. The Chief Academic Officer highlighted HPC as a tool for capturing overall student development, not just academics. The Joint Chief Academic Officer emphasized that board equivalency ensures fairness and comparability in student assessments nationwide. Through this initiative, Mbose and Parakh aim to shift school evaluations toward critical thinking and holistic growth.
And the breaking of marks is 1 plus 2 plus 2. So we can do that.
This 1 plus 2 plus 2, this was a single question. It was in the markings that we had, this 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Let them learn something in degree also. Let them, you teach them how to write a 6 mark and let them learn how to write a 50 mark in the degree, in the graduation itself.
This equivalency of boards, it is an initiative of Parakh under the Ministry of Education, and in order to bring similarity in the assessment across all boards in the country. So Parakh has collaborated together with all the state boards in India to bring about a common assessment scheme, so to say, so that students studying across boards in India, they will be having the same assessment pattern. And we are all here with our teachers to train the teachers, so that these teachers, they will be our key resource persons to further train other teachers, so that across the state all the teachers will be having this similar, if not same, similar assessment system or pattern across the state. The higher education system, also these changes, it's not only from the secondary level. What we are having here is secondary level, but across the system, right from the foundational stage, middle stage, preparatory stage, middle stage, secondary stage, up to the college level also, higher education. There is this new assessment system that is now going on. So everywhere across the country, these new changes are coming, so that there will be parallel mobility as well as lateral mobility of students across the state. Across the country.
So FPC, it is basically this holistic progress card. So this is a tool which helps to track the performances and the achievement and the overall progress of children. So if you use this judiciously and effectively, it will really help to know the holistic development and the progress of child. And then if it is used effectively all across the state, all across the schools, then I think to a great extent, it will really help to transform the education system, to track the progress of the children, in what way they're doing well, in what way they're lagging behind. So to bring up the progress, to bring up the scholastic progress and non-scholastic progress, scholastic as well as post-scholastic progress of the children. So this HPC will help the schools as well as the state in general to track and improve the progress of the children in their learning.
Okay.